My word. Hello everyone. My name is Jamie from Pegasus class. In my world, my family is like the sun. Because my family is nice. My friends are like the stars. Because I have many friends. In my world, there are many flowers and trees that grow in the park. There are stars that shine in the sky. In my world, I dream of the place where I can play all day. So let's make our world happy and safe. Let's smile more, share more, and care more. Thank you for listening.